How to fix Instagram photos not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram photos not loading on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store and here make sure Instagram is updated. Just type Instagram, click on it, and then make sure it's updated, and that's it. And now go to settings, and if you have an Android phone, go to apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click for stop, and go to storage, clear cache, and click permissions and make sure storage is allowed, and then go back, and here make sure battery power saving mode is disabled, and that's it. Restart your phone and try again, and don't forget like, and see you in the next video.